In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a document approval workflow with Jotform. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace and select My Workflows. Click Create Workflow, then choose Start from Scratch to open the workflow builder. In the left panel, add the form element to your workflow. Select the form you'll use for document submissions. If you haven't created one yet, make sure it includes a file upload field for users to upload their documents. After selecting the form, configure the settings if needed and save your changes. Next, add the approval element below the form. Open its settings and enter the email address of the person who will review and approve the submitted documents. Now add an email element to notify someone when the approval process is complete. Open the email settings, choose the recipient, customize the subject and message, and include any additional attachments or variables if needed. Finally, drag the end element to the bottom of the workflow to complete the automation. Click Save to activate your workflow. Then, submit a test document to make sure the approval request is sent correctly and the notification email is delivered after the document is approved or rejected. That's how to create a document approval workflow with Jotform. Thanks for watching.